show you guys how I got this look, this pink gold look, bold look. Yeah, I did my face, my makeup, all that. I mean, I did my makeup, my bronzer, my highlighting, all that. Off camera, I'm just doing the eyes. And I'm using this palette that I've had a long time, and I haven't used it or anything like that. And it's this Huda Beauty Texture Shadow Palette Rose Gold Edition. I think it's just like an impression of it. I don't know. I know I got it in Amazon. No, it's not the real one, but the colors still look beautiful, the same. How I got this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, guys. So let's begin. I did my eyebrows and bronzer and blush and everything off camera, and my lips. All I'm gonna do is this eye and then do liner on camera. That's about it. Can somebody please tell me why when I put an eye, the center color in my center of my eye and my lid, it always comes up, it transfers up? Like, I want to know why it transfers up. Please help me, guys. Okay, anyway, so let's get started because I don't want to talk. Okay, so let's begin. So I'm gonna use the pencil. Lightly, because I don't want to blend it away too much. I feel like this right here, when you blend it, it kind of goes away a little bit. Yeah, guys, because by the time you know it, summer's gonna be over. Out of the way, because you know. I swear, I feel like when I do this side of my face, is a little bit more easier than when I do this, because you know I'm not, oh my god, I'm not lefty or anything like that. So okay, and the color I'm gonna start first is with Flamingo. So I'm gonna go in with Flamingo first, right here, in this Huda Beauty Texture Shadow Palette Rose Gold Edition. This brush, and I'm gonna get that pink. And this pink is really pretty. Really, really pretty. And I'm gonna start popping it on. You guys know, I learned that I actually like this technique way better when you pack on your shadow and then start blending it out. Because I feel like when you start going in and then just start blending, it just gets messy, and you know, it just starts getting, and then I blend out. These shadows are pretty nice though too. I like it. I mean, not the real Huda Beauty, but color, the quality is still pretty, it's pigmented. So, and then when you start packing it on, start blending it a little bit, just a little bit. And make sure to blend, but like in circular motion. Just like that. Circular motion, guys. Just bring it out of it. It's okay. Really nice, see? Really nice and blended. And now I'm gonna go in with this all over shader brush, and I'm going to pick up Man Eater, which is this color here, and I'm going to grab it. I'm not gonna be shy. I'm gonna grab. I like this color just by itself, it's pretty. And I'm gonna start popping around in the outer corner and the inner corner. That's where I want it to be more intense, outer and inner. And then I'm gonna start packing it in here. See, just like that. And I know that here, you always go back, because if you lose the intensity, it's okay. You can always go back. Okay, guys, to go back. Okay, and then I'm gonna start blending this. Start blending this out. Just like that. I'm gonna grab this brush and start blending it nicely. And make it look softer. You feel great, like literally feel great. Circular motions. And sometimes I like to lift up my brow just to help me a little bit. See how this came out a little bit? That's fine, we'll fix it. And for it to go all the way up there. Oh. Okay. So that's like that. Then I'm gonna grab this little flat brush and I'm going to grab 24 karat, so 24K, that's right there. And I'm gonna put that on the lid. This is the time guard. Look how beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This palette has a beautiful quality. It doesn't have to be just apply that 24 karat on the center of the lid. I've been liking this like kind of halo looking eye. It's one of my favorites. If you want to grab more, set it. And apply. There you go. See? Just like that. Maybe feel that over here, the intensity has gone away. Always go, that's the whole point of makeup. Going back, checking your work. Just bring back the intensity. And we're gonna go back to flamingo, and we're going to blend. Okay. Do the same thing. Colors on the bottom lower lash. The same Vanier and same thing. Really smoke it out. Really smoke it out. Do the same, go back and forth. If you feel like this side needs to, then do it. Don't be afraid. Then we're gonna grab some of that gold. Set it. So you're basically gonna do the same thing on the arm, on the lower back. Just like that. And then with this sponge, I have a little powder. I'm just gonna go in here. Just to clean it up, because I'm not gonna go in with concealer or anything, because all it's gonna do is what? It's gonna mess up the look. So see how simple that is? Some more. This brush. I want the gold to be dramatic. So in the inner corner and all that. So here I'm gonna go to the waterline. See, it was nice and simple. Waterline, put the white. Put my white Jumbo NYX pencil, which I love. It's that. You can make it more darker in the other corner if you want. Remember, you want this to really be dark here. So again, with the gold, use your finger as well. Because sometimes when you use your finger, the intensity is better. Okay, and I'm gonna grab that gold, that 24 karat, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner of the eye, inner corner of the tear duct, whatever you want to call it. And I want that to give it a pop. See, like don't be afraid to apply it. Okay. Then I'm going to go this, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone, which I legit just use the brush to highlight it with, but that's okay. Got this tiny brush right here. Grab the highlight and highlight my brow bone. Really highlight that brow bone so it can make your eyebrow look like it's lifted. See? I'm gonna put on some mascara. I was thinking of putting liner, but I don't know. So there's a dramatic look. Okay. I love this mascara. Put on the roller first. And then your falsies as well. Lower. I'm using my Eileen Single and Ready to Mingle, but these are more like dramatic, as you guys can see. So these are more dramatic. So I'm going to pop these on. Like the band is a little thicker on this one, but they're still easy to apply compared to other ones that I've used, and they're really hard to apply with their thick band. I need to clean these lashes. Really love this look. And let's pop these babies in. Just really land them on your lash. These dramatic lashes I really like a lot. And there's some that are a little bit too much. And apply some to this so it can match it with real one. There you go. There you go. Apply some more of that jumbo white pencil if it went away. Use this tiny little brush. I think it's more easier to kind of get that gold in there. And I'm going to spray. I feel like I need a mirror for everything. I'm so blind. Because you want the same thing to look on the bottom as you did on the top, guys. No different. Definitely put white let me see, liner if you really want. I don't. I already feel like the lashes are dramatic enough as it is. But yeah, I mean, I like this palette. I mean, it does the job. The Shadows are nice, they're pigmented, they blend nicely. I had no problem blending them out. So I mean, I really like this palette a lot. I mean, it's not a real one, but it still has the same quality. And now I'm going to spray my face. I'm gonna use this one instead. Where's my shit at? Burn my face. Sorry, my tongue is red. I was eating candy. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. So yes, these colors are so pretty. I love pinks and golds together. I think are so nice. So yeah, guys, I really like this palette a lot. I just had it in my collection, but I've never used it. Then decided to use it today and make a look out of it, and I think it came out really nice. The shadows are really nice and really pigmented. Like, they're so pretty. Like, I'm gonna do something real quick so you guys can see. Like, the colors look so pretty. Like, they're nice, really nice quality shadows. So I really like this palette. Can't believe I haven't used it. I just had it there in my collection. I haven't used it. I've been looking through my collection and I'm like, oh my god, I have this palette. I haven't used it. I haven't made a look with it. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. And yeah, like I always say, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, share, follow me on all my socials, and like I always say, may God bless you.